How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 70 Chevelle SS 454 done in cobalt blue with white stripes. It's got the functional cowl induction hood. Super cool car. Beautiful color on the car. Paint looks pretty slick on it. This car's had a lot of really neat upgrades. It's got Holley Sniper fuel injection. It's got vintage AC and heat. Your power steering, your power disc brakes. Got 12-bolt posi with a 331 gear. Got a nice set of American Racing torque thrust on it. BF Goodrich's. This is a replacement motor. It's not the original motor in the car. Got a nice cam in it. And again, it's got the Sniper fuel injection. It's got your vintage AC and heat, your aluminum radiator. Just a cool car. All the bumpers have been re-chromed. It's got all new black bucket seat console interior in it. See, the doors are all nice and clean. Got the factory tach and gauge dash. It's got a 3-spoke sport wheel. It's got an AM/FM stereo system with the Bluetooth and iPod connector. Jams all look good on the car. Trunk's nice and clean. See the rear bumper, it's like brand new. Tell you, they put all new glass in this car, all the way around. Got tilt wheel. Fires right up. Got a nice dual exhaust, got stainless muffler, so it's not real loud, just a good cruiser. It's got a 400 turbo trans, 12-bolt posi. Tell you, get in this car, cruise it anywhere you want to go. Tell you, that fuel injection, the throttle response is just killer. It makes real good power. You can check out a complete inventory at Ross Custom.